What's up guys? Today is already day number 10. It's going pretty quick, but I figured I'll get this shot started here because it's a pretty difficult. It could be pretty difficult. I'm not too sure how it's gonna work. The setup is kind of time consuming though, so we'll see how it goes. But here we go, my version of an extreme machine gun Masse. We're gonna hit the cue ball into the black here. The red's going to go there. Cue ball's gonna go, hit pretty much every ball, hit the red ball, takes more spin into that second red ball. Wish me luck guys, this one is a toughie. Alright, so take number one here, maximum left, and let's see what happens. Oh, that was real close. I hurt myself actually on this one. It is maximum spin, and this is the kind of shot that has a tendency to give you a blister because you just gotta hit it really hard. Oh, this one, let's see, I'm gonna try an extra shot here, but I might need a break to actually put my blister stuff on, which I know it sounds crazy, but for me it's completely normal. I know for you normal pool players it's kind of unheard of, but yeah, for me it's I literally gotta have special products for it around the house. So, but let's do second try here, and let's see if I can get it before I hurt myself. Okay, this was really close, honestly. There's not much to say that was wrong. Just lacking a touch of left. So apart from that, it was very good. All right, let's see it. More left. And bingo! And I didn't have to put anything on my finger. I am still alive. Whew. Well people, that's it for today. That was already trick shot number 10, and a very tricky, kind of dangerous, I would say, for my finger at least, extreme machine gun Masse. Made it on the second try, so pretty pumped about it. But well, let's see what I can come up with tomorrow. As usual guys, make sure you comment below if you have any idea, any shots you want to see. I'm going to try my best to do so. And if you haven't already liked and subscribed, go ahead and do so. See you tomorrow, guys.